It's another time. Good morning. And as I told you that I'm going to teach you some several ways on how to edit and how to utilize online services well. In order to be brave also when it comes to online deals. Now, today I want to teach you more about how you can make money online, and I'm gonna show you several sites on how you can make money online. Now you just open your Chrome like this, your browser now, and above this searching bar, you just search how to make money online. In fact, at first your browser will just show you the normal ways on how to make money online. We can proceed now. As after you search how to make money online, I know the Chrome will just bring you how to make money online. Now at first it inakuonyesha all the ways on how you can make money online. It shows you how to start trading online with HFM. You register and start, and it has also some sponsored websites teaching how to make money online. We have what we call freelancing. We have writing, graphic designing, creating digital ebooks, affiliate marketing, YouTube channels, selling product on e-commerce platforms, and also completing micro task, stroke surveys and testing. But now that's not the case. On my side, I'm gonna show you how you can fetch what we call transcription jobs. Transcription jobs, Transcription jobs. Yeah. What is transcription? Transcription is all about listening to the audio and typing out what it is said. That is, you just listen to what? To that audio given by a specific client, and then you transcribe it. That is, you put it down into words. That is to handwritten document. Now and then you submit the job. Once it is verified that you have correctly transcribed well, you just get your cash via your PayPal account. And these are some of the sites that I'm gonna show you on how to transcribe. For example, we have what we call SpeechPad. SpeechPad is one of the best sites. SpeechPad. You just search SpeechPad transcription. SpeechPad transcription. SpeechPad transcription is a site that offers transcription jobs. You can do them well. You can familiarize with it, and at the end of it all, you get a good amount of money. You can just imagine a whole day transcribing, making not less than $50. That's good money while in Kenya. So SpeechPad is one of the best transcription accounts you can use. You can check as I browse. This is it. We have what we call legal transcriber contract. You use just a US English. And also nowadays they have advanced. I can see they have what we call AI operate, that is script adoption and voice generation. Yeah, we have a freelance transcriber. You can be one of them. You just choose whether you work full time, part time, contract, then temporary internship, and that's all. You just choose the voice or the audio and the language that you're gonna use when transcribing. If you are a Hindi, you use Hindi language. If you are capable of transcribing in Encourage, then you are good to go. We have another site. We have another site. We have another site that we call Transcribe. It is called Transcribe. Transcribe me. This is another site that indeed you also use when it comes to online transcription jobs. This is it. Or you can as well search here transcription sites. Transcription sites. Transcription sites. Exactly, this is it now. Here we have Scribd. Number 2, we have Casting Words. We have Transcribe Me. We have Daily Transcription. We have a CrowdSurf. We have Go Transcript. We have Rave. This software. This site is called Rave.com. Not only Rave, but it is called Rave.com. That's the official website for them. And here we have GMR transcription. We have Pioneer transcription, and many more. The speech part that I was talking about is this one. Yeah, the speech part that I was talking about is this one. We have also what we call 3Play Media. This is also a nice transcription site. We have his scribers. I'm telling you the best. Upwork, you have to place bids for you to get these jobs. Yeah. Or we can open this one. These are the ratings. Speechpad, it pays 0.5 to $2.5 per audio minute. It's a good amount. Transcribing, if you get not less than 20 audios a day, as per your ratings, it means you can make a good money. We have transcription.com. You can earn between $27 and $59. That is an hour, depending on the complexity of the task. Rave.com has what we call a captioning jobs. Captioning is whereby you caption the video, you are given an audio. At first you transcribe, and once you transcribe, then you caption the video. What they speak, now you highlight it underneath your video. Yeah. Transcription stuff. Daily transcription pays also between 27 and 59. Audio transcription, that is this one, it pays per an hour between 7.5 and $25. Let's check Transcribe Me. It pays between 24 hours, $25 per hour. That's good amount of money. Roughly that's around 3,000 Kenyan money. And you are good to go. You're good to go. 3D Play Media. Remote transcription jobs. Earn weekly paychecks working remotely from home, providing captioning and transcripts. Yeah, this one is nice. To the people in the interior areas and the remote areas, you can do this one. This is the easiest task, and you can't even alter with it that much. Yeah. This is because when it comes to online jobs, and for example, when it comes to transcription, once you do a job wrongly, then that account, once you were given 3 trials, and once you mess up with them, that account is blocked. It's blocked completely. You can't use it anyway. And I'm gonna show you how to know whether these sites are scam or not. I will show you in the next session. For today, I was just showing you. Now we have so many platforms on how you can make money online. That is by transcription. Yeah, just follow us at DK Pro Media YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and share the link, share the knowledge with other people whom you've come across. In the next session, now we are going to teach you on how to skin retouch using AI in Photoshop 2025. How to skin retouch using AI in Photoshop 2025. Good day.